Hello, guys. So today I'm a bit sporty. I've just been doing some sport, but let me give you a quick reminder of what we did on Monday for the advanced group. Okay. So first of all, we corrected page 108 reading, which was for homework, if you do remember that. So here are the answers. So number 1B, 2C, 3C, 4D, 5A, and 6A. And I will also give you the homework, okay, so for next Monday, for those of you okay, who couldn't attend. I think that is Ellie and maybe Anna as well, and Mariola, obviously. For next week, we are going to do page 1 from the workbook, page 111, exercises 1 and 2 noun phrases, okay, exercise 1 and 2, and page 112, okay, so that was the sales, okay, so if you could do that for next day. So that's done. Let me give you a quick reminder of what we did then in class. So that was the 25th of May. So we started on page from the student's book, page 188, quantifying nouns exercise 3. It's basically vocabulary and collocations. It says, for each of the following groups of words, cross out the one which is not normally used with a quantifying noun for reasons of collocation or meaning. For example, you don't say a bunch of cheese, un ramo de queso, so that would be a bit strange. So take a couple of minutes or 3 so to choose the one that is wrong in this set. Okay, pause the video now. The wrong ones are, number 1, a set of children. That's wrong. Number 2, a series of news. 3, a pack of words. 4, a flock of bees. You say a hive of bees. 5, a handful of progress. 6, a scrap of furniture. 7, a piece of holiday. 8, a lump of coffee. Un terrón de café. 9, a grain of wool. And 10, a ray of sleep. Okay, so the ones I have mentioned are wrong. Then we went on to noun phrases on page 191. The grammar for all these is to be found on page 224, so I do advise you to read it because otherwise it's a bit intuitive. With exercise 2, in 1 to 10 below, decide which of the 2 underlined noun phrases is in the wrong form and correct it. And there's an example at the beginning, so you don't say the boss's leg. The boss's leg is okay, but you don't say the chair's leg, you say the chair leg. So take a minute or 2, because you will need some more actually, so to correct which of the 2 in each group is wrong. Okay, so pause the video now, so I'm going to give you the answers if you need. Alright, so here are the answers. In number 1, you say a jar of jam, so the wrong one is B. Number 2, A, chicken soup. 3B, the roof of our house. 4B, a Sunday newspaper. 5B, a 3-day course. Day is singular and with a hyphen between 3 and day. 6, a shop, that shop window, or the window of that shop. 7, the top of the page. That's B. 8A, the dismissal of a member of a staff from the catering department. The dismissal of a member of a staff from the catering department. 9B, a man of average height. And 10B, new children's clothes. Children apostrophe S. We also did exercise 4, which is it's quite easy. Match each sentence beginning 1 to 8 with an appropriate ending A to H. The items in bold are all common collocations. So for example, 1D, a sense of luxury. So pause the video for 2 or 3 minutes. I'll give you the answers again. 2E, 3A, 4C, 5G, 6B, 7H, and 8F. Okay. Then we discussed, we did some work on on exercise 6, which was speaking, which is also good to practice as well. Okay, so if you want, okay, so you can always record it and send it to me as an optional activity. Okay, so that was on Monday, and we started the review on page 192. We did the whole page 192, noun phrases and vocabulary. Okay, So if you would like to do the exercise on noun phrases for about 10 minutes, that's the longest, that's what it took us to do, and then I'll give you the answers, so pause the video. Number one, so we are all still in a state of shock after the announcement of his resignation or his resignation announcement. Number two, car keys and back of the drawer. 3, mug of cocoa, cow's milk, cow apostrophe s, milk, cow's milk, and caravan side. 4, 7 hour with hyphen delay or delay of 7 hours in the airport departure lounge or departure lounge of the airport, you can also say, although it's less common, but it's acceptable. Number 5, youth of average build, yesterday's robbery. 6, gold neck chain, diamond nose stud or diamond stud in his nose, matter of personal taste, idea of fashion. 7, 2 months, S apostrophe, months work, 2 months work, and day's rest, day apostrophe S, rest. And 8, series of talks, number of topics, protection of the environment. And we finish with the vocabulary on Monday. So you have to choose into multiple choice. So pause the video and I'll give you the answers. The answers are 1C, 2B, 3D, 4B, 5A, 6A, 6B, sorry, 7D, 8C, 9C, and 10D. Okay. So thank you very much.